it's me Namrata and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing really good. And today again I have a review video for all of you for this newly launched Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. And I know you guys must be thinking, oh my god, this girl only makes review video only for lipsticks. But I know I cannot help, because only lipsticks are the things which attract me more than anything on this planet. Yeah, I cannot help out myself. So yeah, today I have this lipstick with me to review, and I have got 3 shades from this range, and this range is amazing. They have got 30 new shades for all of you, so you would definitely get a good shade for you. I have only picked 3 shades because anyhow I get this lipsticks from my own money, so I cannot buy all the 30 ones, because yeah, I cannot. I definitely pick 3 shades from a particular range. I go for one nude shade, one dark pink shade, and one red, brown or anything special. But this time I do not have a pink shade. Instead of that, I have a maroon shade with me. One more thing, I know that I am little late in making review video for these, because this time I acted little smart. I personally went to the New You store and got lipsticks from there only, after swatching these on my hands, on my lips, and then I got this. But one particular shade was unavailable at every store I went to, and so this took me little longer. I got this lipstick, I got that particular lipstick from Nykaa. So yeah, that's all about the lipsticks. Now let's move on to the review video. So coming to the packaging, these come in this rose gold kind of packaging, and it's the usual Lakme packaging. And I don't know why Lakme guys are not putting any effort in the packaging, in the outer tube or anything. The same thing, I'm not excited about the packaging or anything by seeing these lipsticks. These are the exact similar to their creaseless one. This is the old lipstick and this is the new lipstick. See, you cannot differentiate even both of these. Only the paint is worn off because it's little too old. Other than that, I cannot see any difference in both of these. Only for the fact that it has primer plus matte written and it has creaseless thing written. So yeah, it's kind of boring. You get 3.6 gram of this product from 480 rupees. You have the shade name written on the tube as well, and also this lipstick claims that it has a primer in itself. Primer sticks onto your lipstick, and that makes your lipstick stays onto your lips for a good amount of time, and it claims that it will stay for 7 to 8 hours, which definitely doesn't. I like the fact, because I think this is the first Indian lipstick which has a primer in itself. Yeah, that's about the outer packaging. Now coming back to the tube. So this is the tube. This is not very exciting for me to talk about. It does not have anything except the shade name written at the bottom, and it's just the same at their previous creaseless lipstick tubes. And I hate the fact that Lakme, at least you guys should put any color code thing from which we can identify that this is the particular lipstick, because for a lazy person like me, it's become a huge chaos in the morning to find that particular shade. You have to open your lipstick every time. You have to open that up, see the color. Nah, that's not my thing. So at least put a sticker or anything like that. So this is the whole amount of product you get, which is quite a good, for 480 it's definitely a good product. And let me swipe this lipstick for all of you. So yeah, so you guys can see how pigmented these lipsticks are. I really like the pigmentation of the lipsticks, and compared from the previous version, I think these lipsticks are more sticky and they stick onto your lips for a good period of time. The earlier version stayed for almost 3 to 4 hours on my lips, and this definitely stayed for around 5 to 6 hours. And one more good thing about this lipstick is this lipstick does not disappear. This fades, which leaves a quite a good tint onto your lips, which I like. I don't like the lipstick which completely fade away and just leave a line of lipstick onto your lips. So yeah, I love this. The pigmentation of these lipsticks are quite good. Like from 1 to 2 swipe you will get the perfect color. And the lighter shade which I have is little streaky, and the pigmentation of that lipstick is not the best as compared to the darker shade. But yeah, it's good but not as good as the darker shade. Texture wise, it's very creamy onto your lips. People with dry lips will definitely enjoy this lipstick because this will not like exaggerate your lips crack or anything, like you will feel really comfortable after applying this. And this is not a very complete dry matte lipstick. This is like more of a matte lipstick but not that complete matte. Like more matte than semi matte but less matte than powder matte. I hope that makes some sense. For staying power, I have already mentioned that it stayed for 5 to 6 hours on my lips with me, and then it faded off. And also one good thing about this lipstick is you can like layer this lipsticks up. It's not like the liquid lipstick which you cannot layer. I advise you guys to go for a moisturizer, what I'm saying. So you guys should go with a lip balm and then go for this lipstick. And now let's move on to the shades I have. One is Red Letter, second one is Maroon Mix, and the third is Maple Map. So I'm going to swatch one by one so that you guys can have a little idea. So the first lipstick which I'm going to swatch is Red Letter. So as you guys can see, this is a red color with a bit of orange in it, which makes it wearable. This would suit I think fair to medium to dark skin tone. Every skin tone will enjoy this lipstick. The second lip shade which I have is Maroon Mix, and let me swatch it. So this is the second shade. This is Maroon Mix, and this have little maroon and also some mauve undertone, and it would also suit all Indian skin tone. From fair, medium to dark, it would suit every skin tone. But I personally like to apply these kind of lipsticks in winters. For summers, I like for the daily wear I go for some nudes, light pinks, oranges, but not these kind of shades. But yeah, this was looking really nice on my lips, so I picked this one out. And the last shade which I have is Maple Map, and this was the shade I was talking about that was not available at every store. And also this is little streaky and the pigmentation is not the best as compared to the darker one. So let me swatch this for you. So this is the Maple Map, and this is the perfect MLBB shade for my skin, and I think this would suit a fair to medium skin tone, and this would wash I think darker skin tone, and I think it would not look good on darker skin tone people. And I firstly saw this lip shade on Malvika Sitlani, who is a very famous YouTuber, and then after seeing the swatches on her lips, I got crazy and I thought I definitely have to get this shade for myself. So now when I have swatched all these shades on my hand, I'm going to swatch these on my lips, and you guys enjoy the swatches, and I hope you guys find this video useful. And also please do let me know which one is your favorite. See you next time. Bye.